hurt as supporters of BJP and Congress turned violent in Kangabok. Police fired tear gas cells to control the mob. Police continue drive against drugs and alcohol ahead of the assembly elections. Local seize and burn 13 kg of heroin number 4 in Sekmaitin Thongam and Mayang Impal. NMZU to initiate campaign against a non-disclosure of framework agreement between the centre and NSCNI. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. At least 9 persons, including 6 women, were injured in an election-related violence in Kangabok, and police resorted to firing tear gas cells to control the situation. The violent incident broke out this morning around 11 at Kangabok in Thoubal district. Sources said an election meeting of Congress candidate in Kangabok, Okram Surjakumar, son of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, was scheduled to be held in a ground situated between Kangabok and Sangayumpham. However, tussle occurred between the supporters of the BJP candidate and Congress candidate regarding the organization of the meeting. After a heated exchange of words, both sides turned violent and attacked each other using sticks and stones. A team of police and commando rushed to the spot to control the situation. The injured persons were admitted to Thoubal District Hospital. The injured have been identified as Ningthozam Biren, 50, Khundrakpam Sarat, 47 from Kangabok, Part 3, Thokchom Maipakpi Devi, 47, and Ningthozam Sangita Devi, 39, Moirangthem Jamini, 42 years, Moirangthem Samorjit, 20, Moirangthem Binodini Devi, 49 years, Moirangthem Romita Devi, 33, and Laisham Sharmila Devi, 48 from Kangabok, Part 2. They were discharged after they were given first aid. Convener of BJP Manipur Pradesh State Election Management Committee, Thaunaujam Chauba, asserted that a balanced development of the hills and valley will bring peace in Manipur. Speaking at the flag hosting of BJP candidate in Nungba, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Adim Panmay at Khopam Valley yesterday, the BJP leader said blockade on the national highways should be prevented first in the valley if the blockades on national highways in the hills are to be checked. Chauba accused the state government of misappropriating central funds for the development of hills in the state. He reiterated that if the BJP wins the upcoming assembly elections, Manipur will be free from ban, blockade and corruption. It may be mentioned that Adim Panmay is pitted against Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam.
Shri Gai Khangam na pahaliba sarkar, Ibobi na pahaliba sarkar. Na khoi bahan na yung bide, kaya natlakhe, kawumasi. Karham matungda, sang na party president wale, government do party president lo inspiring ni. Ngasi Bharat Barsada, Narendra Modi na wale base, Amit Shah na pahaliba sini. Kawum na gina khoi na thagat kiwa, niyuda na chat kharga, konung wali mga sadhana, chawra konung saraga. Imphal na lady, Imphal ki mafam khunimata, Mari konung chawba mayamado saribdo karai lagi bishar.
95 candidates filed nomination for the first phase of election till yesterday. Till now, the maximum number of nominations by 6 candidates were filed in Kairao constituency. No nomination was filed on the first day, February 7, and only 1 nomination was filed on February 8. Meanwhile, 14 candidates have filed their nominations till yesterday for the second phase of election. No nomination was filed on the first 2 days, February 9 and 10. On the last day of filing of nomination for the first phase of the 11th Manipur Assembly elections, a number of candidates filed their papers with the returning officers in Imphal East district. Candidates who filed their nomination included LJP candidate Athopam Kishore of Wangkai, BJP candidate El Susildro alias Yaima, CPI's RK Amusanaf of Khurai, Trinamool Congress Gitar Ranjan of Thongchu, NPP's Vivek Raj Wangkhem, Trinamool Congress Mohammad Zamir Ahmed, and MPPs Mohammad Azizur Khan of Khetrigao. DEO Imphal East Ningthozam Jeffrey in a press release says 2 general officers have arrived in Imphal East in connection with the ensuing 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. One officer, Ravindra Kumar Mishra, has been assigned to Thongju, Kairao and Andro, while the second officer, B.R. Singh, has been assigned to Khetrigao, Yai School and Wankai. They will stay in the district till the completion of the election process. The flag hosting of Notice India Development Party NEIDP candidate in Churachandpur, Phokhan Suwan Kuptong, was held today in Chinkangpa Avenue, Churachandpur. A new branch office of the newly formed regional party was also inaugurated in Churachandpur. Spokesperson of the party, Sapam Kunjakishore, says Manipur will be broken into several fragments if either the BJP or Congress forms the government in the upcoming assembly elections. He warned the people to remain alert against Congress' attempt to lure the voters with money. He claimed that the BJP is even more corrupt than the Congress party, which is known for its corruption. He alleged that the BJP, which demands money from aspiring candidates to give tickets, will mortgage the state.
Congress for mighty PYC, I can Aruba Togam Wagani, I got a panel hydroso election net muscle for Manipur. For the last 15 years, when in power, they visit them away. Thousands of crore people skip properties are going to the city away. Lala Sim Sabi, tap away, Lantumado Paisana Tamgra. More the interest like that, more the intention like that, more the concern like that for the people. My only concern is election mayada paisa kuina distribute torga election mayada praja ko lana influence torga lana praja ko misguide torga by any means the election here mari subatam paino honar kane.
A team of Lilong police seized 14 cartons of beer bottles from a Maruti Eco van at Lilong Bazaar. The police team halted a van coming from Thoubal towards Imphal this morning around 6. While searching inside the van, the police discovered 14 cartons of Diablo beer and 5 boxes of grape juice. Police arrested the owner of the beer, K. Kim, from Saparmania Saitu, and the driver of the vehicle. Imphal West Narcotics Cell caught a man with 37 litres of country liquor at Naurantong Kolem, Lekai this afternoon around 4. The man is identified as Maisnampore Singh, 57. The seizure was made during a drive against drugs and intoxicants to ensure a peaceful, free and fair assembly election. A team of Bishnupur Police Commando arrested a woman with 73 grams of heroin number 4 during a frisking near Kwakta at Tidim Road on February 10. The arrested woman is identified as Tennai Kim Haukip, 33 years, wife of Thankolun from More. Locals today seized 13 kg of heroin number 4 from 2 women in Sekmai Jain Thongam under Mayang Imphal police station. Women of the area and secretary of the local club caught the 2 women along with the drug. They are identified as Tinkolam Baite and Choi Chang from Churachandpur. Sources said the 2 women were seen together with 2 Muslim men this morning around 9 behind Balika Junior High School in Sekmai Jain Thongam. After the 2 persons left, the club members saw the 2 women putting some packets into their bags. They became suspicious and locals approached them and checked their bags. The locals found 13 packets of heroin number 4 in their bags. They set the drug on fire and handed over the 2 women to Mayang Imphal police station.
Ni khak school ki kak tu changchalaga leihibadu aini hobudi ge changchalaga yengubani yengudam makoina nakoi kaidari no na hangma matamda makoi ma panthokone na makoi nukhmai panthokko oragadi nakoi ma panthokko loragadi chalo aina makoi tanthore adubu makoi je kari ma chingnaba khara leibadagi pi khara kapthoga check tahunba matamda masada number 4 ticket taraga hundoi masada ka kona na jarumi adugo miyamna makoi ani bu pharga number 4 ticket
Volunteers of Awang Chawkhong Development Club (ACDC) captured 2 women who were selling heroin number 4 during a drive at North AOC today. The arrested women are identified as Melody Ahong Sangbam, 55, wife of late Ahong Sangbam Chandrakanta, and Khairakpam Pramo, 44, wife of Khairakpam Robin. 26 small packets of heroin were seized from them. Speaking to media persons, ACDC President Ramtharkai Singh said the 2 persons have been ostracized from the locality. He also said that the club will continue to drive against drugs in the North AOC area.
Club na phagaliba achaba ayonba mayam amase khoi action lowe aba lobani khoi na police sinare police ju khra lerga achaba ni na custody de sido di phrakta ni haiba sugum mayam leibani na moise custody de leibangam de jail leibangam de numi khra lerim thokre asina maram moiduna club na warep lobudi hojikti laikai di phau phang punamak se laikai gi permanent oi leijabo itar su moi mayam bu ilkai di inthokpa achaba oktubi oiro amoiro punamak se khoi laikai di inthokpa haidna khoi club na warep lawre ACDC local libe anti drug drive sida organization punamak na support tawbiu.
A team of District Police Commando, Imphal West Police and Kangpokpi Police rescued a person who was abducted by an insurgent group. The rescued person is identified as Robin Magar. Police sources said he was kidnapped by Thadao People's Liberation Army on February 9th in connection with monetary demand. Acting on a tip-off, the police team conducted search operation in Bungol village on the 10th of this month and rescued him. A team of Imphal East Police and Churachandpur Police recovered 3 vehicles stolen from different places. The recovered vehicles included 2 Bolero jeeps and a Scorpio car. A team of Imphal East Commando led by Jim Ringo recovered the Bolero bearing registration number MN2B1555 and the Scorpio bearing registration number MN01W5257 from the roadside of New Chekon. The vehicles were missing since last year and the police have been looking for them. The second Bolero with registration number MN01G4628 was recovered by a team of Churachandpur Police at Wangkai Ningthem Pukri. The owner of the vehicle, Kate Tombing, filed a missing report last year. Acting on a tip-off, Police Commando of Imphal East District arrested a cadre of the underground outfit UNLF. The arrested cadre is identified as Laishram Sanajauba Singh, 31 years, son of Kumar from Langdum Mamang Lekai. The police arrested him during frisking at Kairao Lamdung Lamkai. Sources said preliminary investigations revealed that he was involved in extortion from educational institutions and incriminating documents were also seized from him. All Manipur Students' Union Secretary General Manjit Sarang Thames asked the people to challenge the government if the framework agreement signed between the centre and the NSCN-IM is against the wishes of the people. He said the agreement has not been disclosed to the public and the NSCN-IM is carrying out political strategies under the agreement. He said a statewide campaign against the non-declaration of the agreement will be initiated from the 16th of this month on the theme Protection of Historical and Political Identities of Manipur.
Manipur integrity da Manipur paring nine Satharak Liba, Lamgi Sarukta, Solak Payargadi, Amsuna Terminal Tokloi, election token in Chongtok Liba, Tongan candidate sing and the political party sing them, and Miam the high agreement as the career we have see Kangan Nava Akanba, political pressure, Pibum Toy, Manipur Saktam, the Achauba, Singer Amagaloina Manipurgi, Jahili Sinkia, Marakti, Laminak Liva, Tonba, Kanglup Sing Marakta, Frup Sing Marakta, Napak Tanaduna, Setok Marakpia, with few Malay Livasi, Amsuna Yabangam.
Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Naga people, on the occasion of Leungaini festival. In her message, the governor said the festival is associated with the customary and traditional practices of the Naga communities and embodies the spirit of oneness and brotherhood. She hopes that the festival will usher in peace, love and greater bonding among the different communities of Manipur. GCILPS has condemned Kharga Thamang from filing nomination as an independent candidate in Kangpokpi after Congress withdrew his party ticket. Speaking to media persons, GCILPS convener in charge B.K. Moirangcha welcomed the move of the Congress party but warned Kharga Thamang. He said non-locals should not contest election while the ILP issue is not resolved and appealed to Kharga Thamang to withdraw his nomination. He also said the GCILPS will begin the agitation to implement ILP system in the state.
Kharga Tamangda JCILPS na thamjaning wafamdi Kharga Tamangna Congress Party ticket withdraw toraga independent mirep oina nomination fine tauribasi JCILPS na yade JCILPS na haibedi National Party natraga local party amada vote lepa yade haibanate 1951 gi matungda lakpa yelongmi nataba mitop mian chana ILP ki iho loidana leiringai aduga bill asi pass toraga ek onduna ekoi implement toro matungda tang taba ma leitri fawbada vote lepiganu haibani.
Members of BJP Kaisamthong Mandal condoled the demise of former program executive Ningthauzam Lokendrajit today, who was an active member and party worker of BJP and unexpectedly expired today. Lokendrajit was a member of BJP Kaisamthong Mandal. Members of Nambol Thiam Makha Lekai Panthoibi Meira Paibi and Socialist Students Union Manipur today staged a sit-in against fielding of a non-indigenous person as Congress candidate in Kangpokpi when the people are demanding implementation of ILP in the state. Villagers of Aimol village in Technopol district protested against the decision to shift the 3 IRB posts from the village. Villagers of Aimol Ngairong, Aimol Kolen, Aimol Chadompokpi, Aimol Kudampai and Aimol Tampak blocked the road between Aimol Tampak and Aimol Ngairong in protest this morning. The villagers appealed to make the IRB post permanent. PWD Manipur has asked the public to remove stones and earth condemned vehicles ramps outside their houses on the roadsides of National Highway from Singjamai Bazaar to Manipur University Gate, Kanchipur within 3 days. In a public notice, the department said if they are not removed in 3 days, it will be removed by them with the help of the police department and will not be responsible for any loss or damage. An awareness cum voluntary blood donation camp was held in immunohematology and blood transfusion IHBT department RIMS in connection with the Valentine's Day. College students donated blood at the 31st Awareness cum Voluntary Blood Donation Camp organized by Lifesavers Manipur with other organizations with the objective to ensure a healthy society. RIMS Professor L. Balendro says efforts will be made to ensure availability of blood at RIMS. He said donation of blood does not have harmful effect on the body, and he said there will be 100% voluntary blood donors in the world by 2020.
Punsigi matialamo ina naha haiba punsi sida afaba phataba awaba nungaiba leitaba matamasida Valentine's Day numita harau tayamba kumai phiong chatkhibai mota lebak sigi state sigi kathokpagi wakhal pungning mayam do aikoida khara makhoida message amoina nakoina ngasi piribi unit amasi miyoiba punsi ahum kandorimni aduna hari makhoigi damakta nakoina ngasi I donate toba se mathok tai haibi wakhalonda ngasi gi blood donation ki amasi sinjabani.
Federation of Government College Teachers Association Phegokta Manipur appreciated the decision of the CEO Manipur to exempt the associate professors of government colleges 60 years and above from election duty. The decision of the CEO Manipur came following an appeal made by Phegokta Manipur. Kanglei Mime Theatre Repertory Moirangkhom Makha Yumnam Lekai participated in the International Theatre Festival of India organized by National School of Drama and sponsored by Ministry of Culture. The repertory performed mime play Love Your Nature, written and directed by Dr. Yumnam Sadananda on the 8th of this month in New Delhi and on the 11th in Hyderabad. The play emphasized the need to protect the environment and understand the relationship between man and nature. Now news from the world of sports. Eastern Sporting Union Wankai lifted the Indian Women's Football League trophy. In the final match played today at Dr. Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi, Eastern Sporting Union Wankai representing Manipur trounced rising student club Cuttack Orissa 3-0 to win the championship. Kamala netted 2 goals in the 32nd and 66th minute of the match, while I. Prameshwari scored 1 goal in the 57th minute for the winner. Eastern Sporting Union Wankai won a cash prize of Rs 10 lakh along with the trophy, while runners-up team Rising Student Club Cuttack were given a cash prize of 5 lakh rupees along with the trophy. The 14th Sentinel Cup DGAR Equestrian Championship concluded today at Imphal Polo Ground. Chinkai Hunba Polo Clubs T.H. Santos and L. Dhaneshwar bagged the first and second place of the junior and senior men's tent pegging lance individual organized by 9th Sector Assam Rifles. Chinkai Hunba Polo Clubs M. Kuber and Y. Suraj bagged the first and second in the junior and senior so jumping, while Chinkai Hunba Polo Clubs Nilu RK bagged the first position in girls so jumping. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. 9 persons, including 6 women, hurt as supporters of BJP and Congress turned violent in Bangabok. Police fired tear gas cells to control the mob. Police continue drive against drugs and alcohol ahead of the assembly elections. Locals seized and burned 13 kg of heroin number 4 in Sekmajin Thongam and Mayang Fall. An AMSU to initiate a campaign against the non-disclosure of framework agreement between the centre and NSC.